Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you wanna take a trip, climb on board the rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. I love that song. And I heard it this week in my class and the kids loved singing it. And then I found this book. How awesome. The Big Beyond, the story of space travel. Here in the UAE, a couple of years ago, we had an astronaut from the UAE, Hazza al-Mansouri. And wow, how amazing was it? We all sat in class and we watched him traveling to the International Space Station. The kids were all excited and all the children, boys, girls, everybody wanted to be like Hazza al-Mansouri. Let's see what happens in our story here. The Big Beyond by James Carter and Aaron Cushley. There we go. Story of space travel. Once upon a rocket, a countdown has begun. From 10, 9, 8 to 7 and 6 to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As early people watched the sky, they wished for wings so they could fly. They dreamt up questions, thick and fast. How deep is space? How far are stars? Does planet Mars have life like ours? So many questions. And in those stars across the night, they drew some creatures formed of light. From crab to lion, bull to bear. Such starry beasts were everywhere. Through telescopes, we found such things as planets with their moons and rings. We learned we're off the Milky Way, that stars are all so far away. One force of space is gravity, and there are endless galaxies. This is Galileo exploring, learning new things. Yet still, to fly was our great aim, with kites, balloons, and gliders, planes. People just wanted to get up there, explore, see what's up there. And then, in 1957, rockets soared towards the heavens, through the clouds, up, up and on, out into the great beyond. This rocket's name was Sputnik. Up we sent beyond the night to orbit Earth, a satellite. Up went creatures, dogs and cats, monkeys, turtles, flies and rats. The dog was called Laika and the cat was called Felix. Up in time went astronauts, space explorers, cosmonauts. Then summer 1969. What a time for humankind. A rocket known as Saturn V, with smoke and flames, burst into life. And now, in front of their TVs, the whole world watched excitedly. What were they watching? Your grandma and grandpa might know. Ask them. What great adventure happened next? Upon the moon, 2 men took steps. And on that world so strange, so new, they left a flag, some footprints too. Buzz Aldrin and Neil Armstrong in the Apollo 2 lunar module. When Neil Armstrong climbed down, he said, "One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Since then, we've been up many times. We've walked in space, launched satellites, and to the planets, spacecraft roam, sending information home. To Mars, our neighbour, we've sent more probes with which we could explore. Crafts to land, to test the air, to sample the soil, to check what's there. This is an international space station. New rockets every year will head out through the atmosphere. We'll need an astronaut or two. Could it be you? The end. I hope you enjoyed that story. And if you've ever had the dream of being an astronaut, dream it. Dream big, like the big beyond. Have a lovely, lovely week. And I'll see you next time.